Hi, welcome back to another NBA Top Shot video. Okay, today I'm gonna go through what I got. So there was a drop for the premium pack, and in order to get the premium pack, the collector score had to be over 2,500. So for my collection update, I managed to hit a collector score of 2,540. And the way that I did that was that I bought over 100 of the common cards. So then I bought over 100 of them here. I'm not going to go through every single one, but I pretty much spent $3 on each card, and I tried to focus as much on the rookies and as much on the cards that have less than 40,000 on them as possible. But it took me a really long time to get all those 100 cards. But in the end, I got my collector score up past 2,500. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get a premium pack. So I'm just continuously strolling as I now have 181 moments in total. So you can see on the cards that I got. And closer to the end, I tried to get as many different cards as possible. So we managed to get a base set release instead for just being in the queue. So we'll just open that up and see what we get. There will be 3 cards. Most likely some commons, but hopefully something that will be decent. So our first card is Kyle Lowry, serial number 4552, which is decent. I'm not sure if I picked up a Lowry yesterday or not, but I tried getting a whole bunch of Lowrys, but I failed. Second card, Marcus Morris. I'm pretty sure I have one of those. Serial 39788. And finally, Killian Hayes, serial number 4775. So let's take a look and see what they're trading for. I'm pretty sure these cards are all pretty much... Yeah, Killian Hayes is apparently a rookie. So that is currently sitting at $4. Kyle Lowry is sitting close to $4. And finally, Marcus Morris, that is sitting at about $3. Oh no, I have a really high serial number, so that won't take me forever to sell that if I sold it for $3. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.